Welcome to ClearTask. Today we are looking at a quick and easy way to perfectly fit 4 pictures onto a single page in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document. To give ourselves the best working space, go to the Layout tab, click Orientation, and select Landscape. You can also click Size and set it to A4. Next, go to the Insert tab, select Pictures, and choose the first photo from your computer. The image will likely be quite large when it drops in. Select it, look up at the Picture Format tab, and reduce the dimensions so it takes up about 1/4 of the page. To move the picture freely around the document, click the wrap text icon next to the image and choose in front of text. Now you can drag it smoothly into the top corner. Here is the trick for a perfectly uniform layout. Instead of inserting and resizing the next 3 images from scratch, select your first picture and press Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate it. Drag the copy into the next position. Repeat this until you have 4 identical pictures perfectly arranged on the page. Finally, right-click on the second image, select Change Picture, and choose this device. Pick your new photo, and Word will automatically swap it in while keeping the exact same size and position. Repeat this quick swap for the remaining images. And that is it, a perfectly organized page in seconds. Subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.